Hello, good evening. So there is 3 minutes left to start my class actually. So before that, I already have started just 3 minutes before. Means let us see that who are joining today, and I will take a class for you all. Basically, I want to discuss about the council paper types and how you will attain the objectives, mainly the programming section that you have to do practice. Okay, that the objectives also, nowadays the objectives are coming in such a way that if you don't know the grammar thing, that it will be difficult for you to understand. Okay, hello, good evening, Indrashis Pakrashi. uh, thank you very much that you are joining my class. uh, let's see that who are joining today. Who are joining, let me see. You are my top fan. Hello, Shubhadeep Chattopadhyay. Good evening. Shatayu Shatra, good evening. I know that you are very much worried about the examinations, tomorrow examinations, but I think don't worry. Definitely you will give a good examination. So you just whatever you did practice, I think that will help you a lot. So I will discuss a lot today. You will continue this class, okay? So don't leave my class, otherwise you will not understand, otherwise you can miss something. Shatayu, have you practiced the question paper what I have given yesterday? Have you done the practice? Shubhadeep, Indrashish, have you done the practice? Thank you. You have done practice. Very good. Vrexo, who is this? Shomujit, good evening. I will discuss the question paper as well as what is your problem. You will inform me right now. I will try to discuss my level best. Okay. You see that this is the question paper I will discuss today. So let everyone join first. This is already 1/7. Let's see that who are joining. Rupam Sarkar has joined. Sinjan, you have some problem on overloading. Okay, I will discuss that also. Please send the message in the group. Please send the message in the group. Those who are in my class, please at least you once again just give the reminder. Otherwise they may forget. So just give a text in the group. They can join. Others, they are joining as as it is. So let's see that who are joining. After that I'll start actually. Don't leave this today. This will be a vital class for you all. Hello, can you see me properly? Hello, can you see me properly? Rupam Sinjan, can you see me properly? Okay, thank you. Okay. I'll wait for 2-3 minutes more, then I'll start the actual class. Those who are joining late, no problem. I will discuss later on. But let's see that I'll start. I'll not waste your time. Those who are joining earlier, I'll start first. So let me wait 2-3 minutes more, then I'll start. Okay. Why the others are not joining, I don't understand. Please write in the group fast. At least they can join fast. Okay. Let me start one by one. That queries definitely will tell me. If you don't have any queries, I will discuss as per my question paper. I have a question paper, I will discuss. I already have given the question paper to you all. I will discuss a lot more things that if you are continuing my class, definitely you will get a lot of things. Okay, let's see. The first one, hello, Sinjan is there. Hello, Sinjan is there. So Sinjan's first question was, that is overloading confusion. Maybe overloading confusion. That overloading is what? Whenever in a class, if you see the multiple functions have the same name. Multiple functions you have and that have the same name. Suppose in a class altogether including main, 4 functions are there. Including main, 4 functions are there. So main function, definitely that name will be separate, but the other 3 functions, if you see the same name, definitely same name means uppercase, lowercase, means everything will be same. And there means if the function names are same, definitely that situation will be the overloading if their parameters are different somehow. Maybe in a program 3 functions name are same. Suppose calculator, the 3 function name same as calculator, but their parameters are different. Suppose the first calculator function, it has only 1 integer data type. Second calculator function, it has 2 integer data type, means 2 integer variables. And third calculator function, it has 3 integer data types, means 3 integer values. That situation, computer can understand, it can identify that 3 different functions are there, means same name, but they are behaving like differently. Okay, Sanborto, okay, you have joined my class, thank you. So please listen it very carefully, that function overloading, function's name will be same, their function name will be same, but the parameters are different somehow. If suppose in a class 2 functions except main, the 2 functions name are same. Suppose calculator and calculator. 2 functions, 2 parameters are there. one integer, one float. Second function, one float and another one is integer. Means somehow it's changed. Suppose the first one is integer, second one is in the first function. First one integer, second one float. But in the second function, first one is float, second one is integer. So computer can identify it properly and it will work fine. It will work fine. So later on you will get, I don't know the Sinjoy what section you are talking about, that I will discuss later on that one, but now for the live class let us discuss with the subject topic. Later on we will discuss whatever that the section, all these things I'll discuss later on. So please you follow my class, that what today I have taken right now, in the beginnings that Sinjoy has given me one problem, that is what he wants to understand about that function overloading. So the function overloading, this is the situation whenever you will see the same function name multiple times you are getting in a program and their parameters are different, that situation you will get that function. It means you will means computer can identify it separately, that is function overloading is doing properly work. Just I have started this class at 7 p.m. I have discussed just function overloading. You are joining late, so no problem. If you have problem, again I can discuss. So let us continue with the next topic. Hello, what is your next topic? If you don't understand, please let me know that what you don't understand. Yes, what's your name, please? I don't understand this the channel's name. I can't understand. I can recognize you. So okay, I'll tell you whatever it is. You have given, sir, please explain difference between static and instance variables. So definitely you will see that is what is static variable and what is instance variable. Static variables, you will see that how many objects you will prepare for a class. Suppose in a class, if you are creating, suppose three different objects you are creating in a computer memory, three different objects will be there. And if you make one static variable for that class, so everyone will share that variable equally. Okay, everyone that only one copy of the variable will be there in the computer memory. Okay, for that program there will be one memory slot, means there will be one physically that we can see that static variable in the computer memory. Okay, so for that class. And instance variable means how many objects you are preparing, that many objects will be the separate copy of the variables. Okay, so you can see that is how, I think I already have explained in this way. If you buy the car, you see that car is an object. So if you have the three different cars, so definitely three different steering will be there for three different cars. So not only that, one car that has given only one steering and the others, the other cars, they don't have steering, that is not possible. That instance variable, it should be an instance variable. Instance variable means each car will get the separate copy of the steering. So that is called instance variable. And one copy of anything of that car, definitely that is that car is actually following the logic diagram. That means how the car is manufactured, that is actually we say the blueprint. Okay, so for a class, a single copy of the memory variable, it's called the static variable, and the multiple copies means number of objects equal with the number of variables, the global variables, that instance variables will be there. Okay, which question is going to come in the examinations? That is very difficult. I am not making question paper, I am not preparing the question paper from the council. Okay, so I can guess that these are the questions you just do practice, then you can be prepared, well prepared for the examination. Math.rint, definitely you have some problem. If you have some problem, math.rint, definitely I'll tell you about the math.rint. I have explained in details, yet I'm telling you once again. Math.rint means RINT will work in a particular situation when you will get the value. Suppose it will convert the value to the nearest even integer. Nearest even integer. Suppose math.rint within bracket, if you write 14.5, exactly math.rint will work in this situation when there is a 0.5. 0.5. So 0.5 means 50, suppose 14.5. So it will be converted into 14. Okay. So 14.5 will be converted into 14 and 15.5 it will be converted to 16. Okay. So this section will be definitely, you should know, that is math.rint. Other case, if you write some other thing, that time you will get some different values. Okay, some different values means it will work how the values we are converting into a round in that way. Okay, so math.rint will give you the value exactly, excuse me, so exactly that value will come to the nearest even integer. Nearest even integer means suppose 17.5. So what the value you will get? You will get 18.0. 17.5 means you will get 18.0. Actually, it will return as a double form. So 18.0. If you write 19.5, so the value will come. It is 19.5 means you will get 20.0. If you write 18.5, you will get 18.0. It is what math.rint. It is what math.rint. Passes in sorting, it's now the board work. It's a very lengthy process. Actually, the passes of the programming section, if I catch right now, it will be a lengthy process. I can't discuss the objectives. Okay, so sorting, definitely you do one thing. If you have some problem in sorting, bubble sorting, so please you follow my channel. You see that in ICSE I have done a playlist. From the playlist you can see the bubble sorting. It is explained how it is explained. If you see it, you can understand it very clearly. So please you follow my channel. I have made the playlist for you all. Okay, Sinjan, I'll explain about the compare to. Wait, please tell, please Sinjay, write in the group, let them join. Otherwise, I told them to join long time back, 7 a.m. Sorry, 7 p.m. So still they have not joined. Okay, please tell them to join. They will be very much helpful if they join. So Sinjan, I think you have given. Before that, I wanted to tell you that bubble sorting. Bubble sorting, you see that in my channel, that is bubble sort is clearly explained over there. You follow that one. This is clearly, elaborately it is explained. If you follow, you can understand it clearly. Okay. So from my ICSE that playlist you will get. That is you can see in my channel that 4 playlist. There is one for CBSE, one for ICSE, one for ISC, and one for class 9. So if you see my class 9 classes also, it will be very much helpful for you all. You can see, as well as you can see my class 10 that bubble sorting and selection sort also, it is explained over there properly. You can check over there. So now let me discuss about all these objectives properly. It will be clear, very much helpful for you all. So Sinjan, you have written, sir, please explain compare to with the help of some example. Compare to will behave like Compare to will behave like a minus symbol. Suppose your what we write, suppose a text, if I explain A and right hand side, suppose one character, left hand side one character, right hand side one character, if it is same, suppose ABC dot compare to ABCD, what the code is there, ABC dot compare to ABCD. If I write on the board, it will be clear, then you can understand it clearly. So let me write something over there on the board, so please you can understand it clearly. Compare to, please check it, A, B, C, there is a compare to, you see that A, B, D, suppose C, this text is there. Compare to will return the value integer type. Whenever you will see that is this compare to function will return only integer value. Whenever left hand side and right hand side, I'll explain more. Whenever left hand side and right hand side value everything is same, means left hand side 3 characters, right hand side 3 characters, left hand side all the characters are uppercase, right hand side all the characters are uppercase, left hand side all the characters order as per, suppose how I have written ABC, if the right hand side that ABC everything is same, it will return 0, it will return 0. If there is any difference, maybe left hand side 3 characters, right hand side suppose more than 3 characters, wherever it will get the difference as per their ASCII value, comparative will check as per their ASCII value. If their difference is there, so definitely it will stop the execution and it will give you the differences. So you see that I have written ABC and ABDC. Can you see the board clearly? Hello, can you see the board clearly? Okay. Okay, now see your problem is compare to, you see that compare to ASCII value, you check with their ASCII value. This A's ASCII value is 65, this A's ASCII value is 65, so it will behave like a minus symbol, so computer will give you the result is 0. Now again it's going for 66, this is going for 66 minus, so the result will come again 0. Now you check, this is C is 67 and this D is 68, so the result is coming minus 1. So what computer will give you the result? It will give you minus 1. So you can see this will give you minus 1 result, this will give you that minus 1 result. Okay, so wherever it is getting the differences, it will give you the minus 1. Now the main thing is that is if you see that number of characters same, left hand side and right hand side similar number of characters, if left hand side ABC, right hand side ABC, what I have written, you see that left hand side ABC and the right hand side ABCD, if first 3 characters are same from both the sides, then how many characters are extra in which side? If any extra character in the right hand side, suppose in this situation, if you get like this, suppose ABC, and here you are getting suppose C, so you see that these 3 characters are same, but you see that one extra character is here, so that time if you write more characters C, D, E, F, suppose 4 characters are extra, so it will give you minus 4, it will give you minus 4, that situation it will give you minus 4, that situation it will give you minus 4. So compared to if you change the side, this value is going this side, and that value is coming this side. So it will give you, that is plus 4. Okay, plus 4. So definitely you'll see that is compare to functions, very important, compare to function. Now you tell me what other things I'll explain for you all. Any more problems are there? Truncation means show मुझे, truncation means you are extracting number of characters. Like you can implement that word for substring. Thank you very much, Shanborto. I can understand that your emotion, that you have joined my class. I know that. Okay, thank you very much what you are telling. So please listen, all of you, clearly. That is truncation. The truncation, actually it is this word is used for substring, but actually it is not modified. Truncation means we are extracting numbers. Extraction is not there. Actually, whenever we are using substring on any string, that string is not modified. Means we are copying from there. Suppose substring, suppose a word is computer. A word is computer and that is placed in variable str. So str equal to computer. Now you are using substring on this str. Str substring, suppose within bracket you are writing 1. So computer index 1 CO, O. It's starting from O, computer. So it will give you computer, not computer. It will give you starting from position index 1. So the remaining part it will give you. It is actually you are asking me about the what is truncation. So it is the use of the truncation word is actually we are using for that substring, but actually not, it is not modifying that on which string we are working. It is not modified. Anything else? Hello, anything else? I have given some question paper, one question paper to all of you, those who are in my group, that I have sent already the question paper, one sample question paper for you all to do practice. There are some questions were there. So if you have any doubt on that, you can ask me, or if you have any other problem, you can ask me right now. Hello, hello, are you there? Are you listening my class? Hello? Check. There is a question paper with me. This question paper, you see that a lot of questions are given yesterday. That is, you can see the objectives are here. That objectives I will discuss one by one, but if you are here, then I will discuss definitely. Any more objectives? What you want to ask me? Any functions? From array. Eight, 9, 10. Question section A. Question 8, 9, 10. You are asking me question 8, 9, 10. Let me see question 8, 9, 10. Yes. What will be the output of the statement? You see that This was the question, I think, Sinjon. This was the question. Let me show you these things to everyone. You can take the screenshot. Those who are watching my channel, please, you can take the screenshot to understand this it clearly. Then I will discuss it. Sinjan is asking me, hello, Sinjan is asking me. Okay, Sinjan, question 2. Question 2, part 8-9. Okay, question 2, part 8-9. Yes, keep the output, that print out. Some more lines are missing. Let me check that. Just a minute. Let me check the question. What is the question? Question number 2, part 8. Yes, 2 part 8, that is, state the output of the following code snippet, that is int. This question, some portion is here. This is some portion is here at the bottom line, at the bottom of the question paper. You can see this is the question. Those who are not there, please, you can check. This was the question. So you see that the question was, give the output of the following program segment, int x equal to 2, 45, 7, 67, 12, 3, and int and t equal to 0. So this was the code, I think. Check how many lines you can see. This is a for loop. You can see once again the bottom 2 lines. The bottom 2 lines, and the print line is missing. The print line is missing. I'm showing you the print line. The print line is here. I'll show you the print line. Just a minute. System.out.println xi plus xt. This is the within the loop. This is the line. Within the loop, this is the line. Within the loop, this is the line. So let us check, that is what will happen. This output means that is I is starting from 0 and t is starting from 5. So I less than 3. So the condition will work how many times? 3 times. Condition will work 3 times. I0, I1, I2. So this 3 times I will work, but the t value is reducing. So what is I? The code was, I am writing on the board, then it will be clear. This code I am writing on the board. Please let me check this. Please check it. That value was int. This is question number 2 part 8. So int x equal to curly bracket 2, 45, 7, 67, 12, 3. Curly bracket close. int I and t equal to 0. For I equal to 0, t equal to 5, I less than 3, I plus plus, comma, t minus minus. This was your code, and one more line was there. that is x I plus xt. So this was your code. So this code very simply we can process. You see this, simply we can process it. Check, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5. You see this loop will work how long? I is taking start from 0. Condition is given I less than 3. So you see this is I will be 0, I will be 0, I will be 1, I will be 2. So how long this will work? Up to this much. So when I equal to 0, this is 0th position and this is 0th position. What is the this is t is 5, t 5th position, index 5. So what is the value? I0 means it is 2. I0 means it is 2. I0 means it is 2 and T5 means it is 3 plus. So it will give you the output. What it will give you? It will give you what? 5. It will give you 5. Then it will be next index. It will be 1. In this way I1 means this is 45. So actually I am writing that values. It will be clear to you what are the values actually we are adding. The first one, that is 2 plus 3. Then this t is minus, t is reducing. It is starting from this, t is coming from this way and I is going from left to right. We have to understand like this. So 2 45 and this is index. You see the index 0, index 1, index 2, I, this is I index. Okay, and this is t index 5 4 3. So you check now, please you check, this is 12 and next this is 7 and this is 67. So you can understand what the calculation will come, that you should understand. That you should understand what the calculation is coming. Okay. So you can understand this, that what is the calculation is coming. Please check what is the calculation is coming. Any more thing that you want to ask me? I'll be offline at 8 p.m. So please, whatever the queries you have, you can ask me right now. 9. Question 2 part, that is 9. Question number 9. Question number 9, the following code has some errors. Rewrite the correct code. This was the, you have to do it correct. The question number 9 you are asking about the question number 9. So question number 9, you see that the following code has some errors. Rewrite the correct code and underline all the correction made. So initially it is given int counter equal to 0. So int it is given in I capital. So it will be, once again you just check the question paper. You can take the screenshot for this, then you can understand. So int counter, I will be in lowercase, int, how you write, then integer, it will be the wrapper class. If you write that, if you do this one, integer int, then also it is possible. Okay, so both the counter should be that int counter 0, int I equal to 15, num equal to what the value num declared, num equal to 1, num greater than equal to 1, and num minus minus. So if I mod num equal to double equal to, it should be double equal to, then counter value will be increasing. Okay, so definitely you can see that what are the mistakes are there. The mistakes are given, you can check here, the int, both the variable and there is num, that equality checking, if the condition, the brackets are not given, brackets if condition, the brackets are not given, and equality double equal to, there is a problem. Hello. Anything else you want to know? Please let me check. Sinjan, your question, another question is there, the different types of variables. I think the different types of variable, you are asking about the different types of variables. In the program given below, this is the question. Question number 10. I'm talking about question number 10. So I'm talking about question number 10. You see this question number 10, that in the program given below, state the name and the value of class Maruti. Static int bhp char amt void input bhp equal to 80 and amount equal to character, char c equal to char bhp plus amt. amt that you are converting, it is implicit casting. Okay, now inside bhp and amt is implicit casted. So what is the question? Based on the above given pieces of code, answer the question which the following, name the instance variable. So from these questions, from these questions, instance variable, which one? Instance variable. That instance variable, actually name the instance variable, that is one variable is there, that is char, and the static variable is a class variable. Then name the class variable. Class variable is static int bhp, amt is the instance variable. Then identify object of the class. Which is the object of the class? Here the object of the class is desire. Object of the class desire. As per the given question, you see the question once again. That setting is changed, I think, somehow. Just a minute. But the thing is that if I use this, the problem can be solved, but the thing is I have to reverse this one. That is the problem. Just a minute. Okay, just let me tell you whatever it is the problem. You don't see that. Let us discuss about the problem. So at least you can listen the problem. There is a camera setting changed. So now let me continue. Few more minutes are left. So I will continue. After that I will be off for you all. So please, you can ask me whatever your problem. So I'm not going on the board right now. Otherwise you will see in reverse. A lot of setting change will be there. So please, any other questions you can ask me the questions. Whatever you have the problem, I can give you the answer. Hello. Any other problem is there? You can ask me. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, that the question number 10, what I was discussing, that is the what is the name of the constructor. In that case, that is the question number 10, as per the question paper whatever I have given. So in that question paper, the constructor name is input. There is no constructor is there. In this case, the constructor is not there. What is the name of the constructor of the above class? So in this class, the Maruti, yes, the object we are preparing, that the no constructor is given here, but Maruti, the object, whenever we are preparing the object, no function is given, on default function is there, Maruti. Okay. Anything else? But back camera I can't show my face to you. That's the problem. I can't see you also. I can't see who are writing what. Excuse me. This dot A means this is the current object. The current object we are calling the current object means the current variable you are getting. Where is that question? Sarthuk, where is that question given? I don't know where you are getting the question from there. Hello, anything else? Anything else? Anything else, please let me know. Please tell me if you have any other problem, please let me know. Hello. Yes. The plus int and the value of it works same. That plus int only the integer value, and the value of it can convert the multiple primitive values. It can convert the multiple primitive values. Anything else? You must do first the objectives properly. Don't waste your time, maximum time for the objectives. Please, if you have any problem on any objectives, please keep that one, keep the space for it. Later on you try to solve. Okay. So one particular, that the four programs you have to solve, that four programs you take maximum 15 minutes time to 1 hours you have to spend. So you have to think it, if you take one problem that more than 15 minutes, definitely you are getting less time from other programs. So 1 hour you keep for the programming and 1 hour you keep for the objectives. So one objectives, if you take too much time, you can understand the 20 MCQ. The 20 MCQ, at least if you take the 2 minutes time for one MCQ, if you think, if you take 1 minute time also, I'm telling that 1 minute time if you take for one objectives, what will happen? It is 20 minutes time you are spending, and the other 10 objectives are there, which one you have to calculate, or the 2 marks question. If you take 2 minutes time, that you are spending the 20 minutes. So 40 minutes is going. You don't know that which question will give you a trouble, that question will spend your time. Okay, so fast you will not understand. So better you which one you can understand, which one you can solve, you solve it first and skip the remaining part. If you don't know, you don't waste your time over there. Later on you come back and try to solve. This is my opinion. So after that, if you have any other means idea, then you can implement, but this is my idea. Don't stuck in one problem so long. Any other thing you want to ask me, all of you? Question number 1, part 9 MCQ. What is that MCQ? This is, consider the following array declaration. One array is there, int array 60, means one array, name of the array ARR, single dimensional array ARR, and inside that array 60, 40, 30, 20, 10. These are the values are there. How many values? 60, 40, 30, 20, 10. This is the values. These are the values. So it is a mirror problem image. So just I am telling you that 60, 40, 30, 20, 10, these values, what will be the output of the following Java code? You can see there is a system.out.println array 1 plus array 2, array 1 and array 2, that positions value. Array 1 means 60 and array 2 means 30. Array 1 and array 2, array 1 and array 2, 60 and 30, and there is a fractional value 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 we will get 0 because both are integer. If you divide 3 by 4, the result will come, quotient result will come what? Quotient result. This is the quotient divide. So result will come 0. So what will happen? What the value you are getting? That print 60 plus 30, array 0, 1, 2, 60, sorry, array 40 and 30. 40 and 30, it is 70, it's coming 70. Okay, only C should be the answer. C should be the answer. Okay, so it is option C is the answer. Okay. Hello, anybody else? Will you ask me anything? So I will stay for 8 minutes more. Sharp 8 p.m. I'll be offline. So please, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask me right now. I can help you. How much I know that I can help you, please. Any problem is there? Hello. Any other problem you have? You can ask me right now. Lexicographically, what is the meaning of the lexicographically? Means dictionary order. Means how it is kept, the characters, how arranged in dictionary. In that way, it will be arranged in dictionary method, lexicographically. Is it clear? You must read the string functions properly, or all the string functions properly. Okay, whatever the string functions are there in the syllabus, you must do it properly. You will understand the difference between the len without bracket and len with bracket. That is important for you. That is the length, length within bracket. If you use the bracket, that means we are calculating the length of the string, and length without bracket means we are calculating the array length. Hello, Arun Basak. Who is Arun Basak? Hello, what's your problem? You tell me. Just 2 minutes. I'll stay with you all. Okay, Shayan. Any other problem you have? So please, you can ask me right now. 1 minute more, please. If you have any problem, you tell me. I'll help you all. Hello. Any more questions? You must try that is a loop body, empty body loop, and that the loop without parenthesis means loop without the curly brackets. How many lines by default it will work, that is very, very important. You just do practice in that way also. So whenever suppose for without bracket, after for there is a semicolon, what will happen? That is, if after for there is some lines, if after ending the loop, for loop, there is a semicolon, means the remaining part of the loop will not work properly. Definition generally nowadays it's not coming, because the most of the question paper is preparing from the logic based. Okay, so practical concept based the question paper is preparing. So don't think that the so many definitions will come. Maybe 1 or 2 definition it may come, but no, I'm not sure about that. The definition will come more. So mostly you will get all the logic based 2-dimensional, 1-dimensional, the string, the lot of fundamentals, data types. You must do practice the data types. Data types, all these primitive data types and real data types, data type structure. If you have any problem, you can see my others that in my channel that I have given some classes on the data types in class 9. If you follow my playlist, you will see that my class 9 playlist, there is the data types, it is elaborately explained. Tokens, data types, it is elaborately explained. Final keyword, important, very, very important final keyword from Java fundamentals. If you write before the variable final keyword, what will happen? How long it will work? Variable scope, how long the variable will work. The scope means the curly brackets, it's a body. Whenever there is no curly bracket, that how long the variable will work, that is important. Anything else? Listen, bubble sort and selection sort both are important, but you can't say that the last year whatever if it is bubble sort is there, that this year alternatively you have to do something else. But I think the selection sort you have to do practice very means carefully, because the selection shot is very a little bit difficult than the bubble shot, because selection shot, you know, the lot of processing, means the steps are there where you have to write the code very carefully, otherwise your selection shot will be wrong. So definitely when the problem will come on the method will be written, selection shot or the bubble shot, you have to do practice. Okay, so if you have any problem, please definitely you must check my channel. So please, you must check my channel. It is clearly explained, selection shot and bubble shot. I don't have to explain it here. That is the reason that I have done the playlist for class 10. You see that my 4 playlists are there, one for ISC, one for ICSE, one for CBSE, one for class 9. So you will follow class 10 ICSE class, you will see, you will get all this, whatever the questions you are asking me, you will get from there, and it will be very much clear for you all. Okay, so up to this much is today. Thank you very much that you have joined my class. Again, if I get chance, I think after this tomorrow's examination, definitely you will be going for the class 11. So who will go where, I don't know. Even you will take computer or biology, that I don't know, but whatever it is, all the best for your coming examination, means for tomorrow's examinations. I think you will do better, because you are getting lot of helps from my YouTube channels, as well as you can follow the other channels also. I'm not mentioning that the other channels name, but you can see if you have any problem, if you don't get any teacher, definitely you can see the help from the channels. But I'll tell you that if you follow my channels, you will get lot of important things over there. Okay, thank you very much. Bye all of you. All the best for your examinations.